Okay. Au revoir. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to the business of making money. Today is Thursday. We got few stocks to watch. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only, and we're not for professional financial advisor. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. So, good morning, everybody. We have a new member on our YouTube membership. I think this is Korean. I can try read your name, brother, because I don't speak or read Korean or yeah, I think it's Korean. Welcome, my brother. Welcome to the Discipline Hunter level on our YouTube membership. Good morning, Lizzie, Abis, Xander, George, everybody is here. Cisco, yes, Cisco did a fantastic job. Yesterday we did a nice trade for Cisco. We already did a shot for it for our hunters here before the market closed, once the price was around the 73.65. And the price now doing fantastic because Cisco did a great job and jumped, and now it's pulling back from the 80 cent. Disney, on the other hand, pulled back down. We already did a shot for it, but it didn't hit the resistance around the 123. We went until the 118, and now it's pulling back toward the support for today around the 108. So Cisco was better trade because broke the resistance around the 74 and hit our profit taken. Yesterday we said the profit taken is around the 77.80, and we went until the 80. The second profit taking was around the 81, so we almost hit it. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hit the like button and subscribe because we always go live every day to discuss the market. Yes, sir. So Cisco, it is one of the top stocks that had a great unicorn, has a great jump from yesterday after humongous earnings, everybody. Humongous earnings for Cisco. Let's see. We got SGBX. I will check. Not North Korea, George. I think South Korea, man. North Korea don't have even internet. I think they are in different dimension. I think SGBX looking good. I will check it right now. Let's check SGBX. Then we gonna see. Yeah, SGBX need to break here around $3.57. I was watching it early on today. So we got, yeah, big seller around 357. Current support is over the 273. But number one is NVVE, guys. This one, it was really great because we discussed it today on our watch list. We said that we've got only one stock. Let me just take my face from this. As you can see here, this is the only stock that we said is on the number one watch list for Thursday. And we did the chart for our hunters to warn them around 48. We said the 48 is the resistance. And then we broke the 48. We went until 54. As you can see here, the best entry was around the 44 after we did this update. And we went until 54. And guess what? We hit the 54 and we went down exactly around the 54. It was great trade. We did this update early on our watch list that we do daily, guys. We do it daily before the market open for a reason. And now we bounce again from the 37. As you see here, we said that 37 is the support. So it was good to enter around the 44, taking profit around the 54, then enter again around the 37. And now, yes, it is near the 37. Now it is kind of tricky to trade, to be honest. Before it was better trade, straightforward. Okay, SGBX is getting near the resistance. LRHC is not my cup of tea, so I'm gonna take it from the list. Open did a great job yesterday, get near the resistance, pulling back, Beyond Bean, pulling back. This one, take it from the list. SOND, not for today. This one as well. So yeah, we got SGBX looking great with NVVE. Those the two that look great for today. Denise asked when the best entry for NVVE. Brother, the entry was early on, 2 hours before the market opened on our Discord. Yeah, the best entry, from my opinion, was here around the 44. And the second best entry was around the 37. Yeah, we already bounced from the 37, almost 13%. So yeah, there's two levels, was really good. We already discussed them on Discord. Because we always do update before the market open, guys. The best entry is sometimes before the market open by 2 hours. This is why we do fresh updates. Today we have only one stock. That's why we did one watch list for Thursday. Yesterday we did four because yesterday we got mini. We got LFS did okay. This one SLRX. We got this one FMFC. And the day before, we had Rocket Lab that had earnings. So you see, every day we have fresh new stocks. Today it was NVVE, and it was really great trade because we went until the 54 after we did this update. Once the price was around the 44, then we pulled back around 37. You see, this red line was the best entry for NVVE. I will put the link to our update to our channel, of course, down below to make it easier for you. Normally the link you can find it on the description below, but I will put it down here just in case if you a bit lazy or you don't know how to use YouTube. Open door short interest 23 percent currently. Karen, thank you for reminding us about the short interest. Denise asked about our Discord. I just put the link, brother, to our Discord. But as a reminder, Denise, this is not the link to our Discord, but Patreon. Once you join our Patreon, where we do this list, you see, even on our Patreon, we do our list. You can go to our Discord or our Patreon, and you have the access to our Discord once you join our Patreon. Oh, I forget to put, let me just, okay, let me just show you. As you see here, brother, once you go on the link that I send it to you, you go on the membership, okay, and you choose one of those three levels. This 100 already sold out, so you can choose the king or the elite. And once you join, you can have access to our Discord automatically. If you couldn't link it, let me know. Send me a message on Patreon, and we'll send you the invite link directly to our Discord from there. It's really simple. And after that, you have access to our pre-market watch list. We do two updates for our King and Elite. This one for the unicorn or the main stock that we watch for the entry and exit. And here you have the setup, how to read the chart and how to enter and exit. Everything is written here. So even if you don't know how to trade, this is a description how to trade. And of course, we got this swing trade like what we did yesterday. We do usually daily if we have like good setup. Yesterday we have good setup for Cisco, and we suggest for a good entry for it after this breakout around the orange line, and we already hit our profit taken. And we did Disney. Disney went down toward the support, so it was good here to buy over the support. So the market is about to open, guys. We got few minutes left. Let's get right to it. Let's get right to it. Denise, you take your time, brother. 1 minute left. Yes, back to the chart, of course, man. Thank you for the reminder. So let's get right to it, guys. We have a few seconds. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe because we always go live 30 minutes before the market open. The main event, guys, NVVE and SGBX. SGBX, the main event right now. I'm going to update the support for it. The main support now is the $2.93 and the bottom is the 269. There is a big seller here around the $3.75 that we should break to go toward the 423. Let's see if we're going to have a breakout. And this, if it happened, would be great to go around this level. I'm going to lower the first profit taken around the $3.89 and the second around the 483. So yeah, SGBX have a huge news for SGBX. Announce aggressive drilling agenda begins in Q4 2025. Holy baloney. This is a huge. NVVE is started to reverse from this bottom around the 37. Once we break the 46, it might go up again toward the 40 or the 50. But SGBX, guys, is the one to watch right now. Is the best setup for SGBX. Yeah, I'm gonna SGBX. I'm gonna watch SGBX closely because it look really juicy for now. Is about to break here. But man, look at that. We have a limit to buy just 127 shares, so it's not that good, to be honest. Yeah, SGBX, guys, testing breakout zone here. I'm gonna update the support for SGBX, guys, around the 3.21. We got now three support. The first one that we should hold is over the 329, second 290. Now the breakout zone is 357. We might get halted, guys. We might get halted right now if we broke this orange line for SGBX. MVVE, nothing much is pulling back. Open pulling back. Beyond Meat pulling back. We have a huge pullback. Let's see Cisco. Cisco is going up a little bit. I think it's better to take profit on Cisco right now. We're up almost 7% on this trade. So I'm gonna exit with a good profit here for Cisco. It's not bad. Disney 7% down. Have earnings yesterday, but I think yeah, the revenue is bad. So I'm gonna lower the support for Disney because it's going down big now. This one is breaking the support as well. Rocket Lab is pulling back down. Yes, we didn't have. Yeah, is it's kind of weak Rocket Lab right now. It's going down a bit. BBI correcting down. Let's see the market. I think the market is down. APLD is still going down, guys. APLD looking interesting now. Is correcting big time. Tesla correcting down. AMD is the strongest stock from my opinion. Yeah, is the strongest stock from my humble opinion right now. Is around the all-time high. Plug still okay. SMCI is too dangerous. It pulled back a lot right now. SMCI, guys, is too dangerous here. There's a big short open for SMCI. So INTC and AMD are strong. Mara broke the support, is going to the second around the 12, I think. Yeah, we have a strong support around the 12. So now Mara is a bit weak, on the weaker side. Coinbase, the same. Snap is strong. Yeah, Snap is still strong. So I'm gonna put Snap, AMD, Tesla, and AWT and Plug are on the main list for the markets. Updating the level to crypto stocks here. Going back to cryptos to see, crypto is a bit green, but yeah, they are a bit weak on the weaker side. Going back to the main event, SGBX is pulling back, guys. I think we have a fake out. Yeah, we have fake out for SGBX. Be careful, guys. Yes, we have a little test, but didn't break. MVVE holding. So SGBX abort the mission, guys. We got huge flush around the resistance. We didn't break. We just have a test over the $3.57, just 2 cents, and got shorted. Let us check the top gainers for today. MRSN is a buyout, so it's not good. IDN, light on volume. Technically, we don't have a good setup except for the ones that we have on our list, MVVE and SGBX. But both of them, yeah, for MVVE, guys, it was the best entry on our watch list today, to be honest. The best entry was, as you can see here, we did this update just around 12:52 Central European time or around 7 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, the best entry was once the price was around 44. Yeah, we went until 54. You see, there's volatility, there's buyers, then the market open, pull back. You see, now is a bit weak, but it's still over the 37, so there's a chance. Yeah. Okay. Shout out to our South Korean friends, new members just joined our YouTube membership. Shout out to our member. Thank you for the support, brother. If you hear me, if you're a bit shy to speak, uh, you just take your time because I know a lot of traders here that don't like to talk in the live chat. But thank you for the support and being a paid member on our YouTube membership. And of course, you're gonna have access to our daily update, pre-market update that we do even on our YouTube membership. So we do this update early on in the morning pre-market to watch for our watch lists every day. A video update. You're gonna be alerted tomorrow once we do that, as usual. So let's get right to it. Welcome, welcome. So LBTX, let's see. LBTX, we got CYPH, we got CMND. I will check it out. Watch CCOL. CCOL. Guys, you know what I like about our community is this. Like we got a lot of you give me a heads up about some stocks. So this is good because sometimes I miss some stocks. And here, when I check your request, guys, we get really good recommendations sometimes. Not every time. Um, 18 were 63. CCOL, I think a wrong ticker symbol. Okay, CCOI. Thank you for the reminder. CCOI. But yeah, that's why I like our community, guys, because we got a good recommendation sometimes. Okay, this one I think went down after the earnings in November, so we got a huge short for it. So um, it's not a unicorn. 52%. Okay, it might be good for a reversal. Yeah, it looked really good for a reversal. Yeah, around the 1578. Not bad. Really good find, brother. I will watch it. Yeah, I will watch it really closely because it's getting near a nice reversal zone. How did you find this, man? Yeah, it looked interesting. So watch out for the 15. Right now it's around the 17. So I'm not buying this one unless it's go down another 13%. But yeah, good find, man. You said something about it. You said, yeah, a reversal is coming. Exactly, man. I agree with you. Reversal is coming pretty soon. So I'm going to keep it on the watch list here. I'm going to keep it on the waiting list. CMND, everybody looking interesting. Yes. Who brought CMD? CMD, Norma, of course. Norma always have a good setup. Getting good. Norma getting good at spotting unicorns. Shout out to Norma, one of our lady friend or trader, one of few women who trade because 10% of traders here on in trading world are women. This is statistic, guys. I'm not trying to be saying that only man trade. No, like in and my analytic inside YouTube tell me that we only got 10%. The rest 90% are men. It's crazy number, I know. So normal CMD, yes, looking fantastic. If we hold over the 46, now it's getting near a major resistance on 66. So CMD looking great. CYPH not good. PBTX is not good as well. NVVE guys broke the support, so it's not good here. SGBX looking all right. So we got only SGBX and CMD that look great for today. Yeah, we only got two, guys. CMD should be number one now. But again, this one have a limit to buy as well. Guys, be careful. CMD is about to get shorted really soon, around maybe the 65 and then the 72. We got a huge seller for it. So be on the lookouts. Yeah, be on the lookout here. There is an imminent short will start for this one. SGBX trying again, guys. SGBX trying again to break out here around the 357. Unusual selling pressure, unusual buying pressure. There is a manipulation happening here. It's not straightforward. But yeah, SGBX action oriented. Volume is not bad, 90 million. Okay. Getting good. Mm-hmm. SGBX looking fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna update the resistance. The main resistance right now is around $3.88. For my opinion, this level should be the resistance that we might have a huge pullback. CMND, the same 66 should be the top resistant. So both of them has a huge resistance, guys. CMD and SGBX. And SGBX, I think, started to pull back here. Yeah, it already flied, man, toward the $3.80. George, IMPP, I'll check it. SGBX, yeah, we don't have to make it a unicorn. It is the unicorn, brother. CMD and SGBX. So I'm gonna take the rest here. Yeah, SGBX and CMND. CMD looking way stable and stronger than SGBX. SGBX is pretty volatile, guys. I don't trust it because of this selling pressure happen here and this buying pressure is too unpredictable right now. And $3.88 is the main resistance now. So I expect a huge pullback again toward at least the 326. CMD the same. We got near the 65. From the chart, it is the current resistance that we have to pull back from. Yeah, pullback is coming at any moment. IMPP, IMBP. George, I will check it right now. IMPP. Let's see this one. IMPP 2% light on volume, man. But the critical zone is about to be tested around the 767 because if we broke this level, it might have a good reversal zone, at least around 11. But now, yes, the main event is the 767. And the current support to watch out for if we don't want to have any surprise down is $4.38 and got earnings, I think, today. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's after hours. So watch out today. If we held over the 430, would be great sign that we got a good earnings. Even if we pulled back and we held for over the 43, $4.30 would be great in a big picture to go toward the 1136. This is a big picture, brother. And the 767 is the main resistance to break, but it looked good technically. CMD guys got shorted precisely around the 65. As we said, guys, time for a pullback and got halted down. SGBX is going up toward the $3.88. So SGBX is number one now, and CMD number two. CMD got shorted exactly around our support 47 and got shorted precisely around the 65. What a huge flush. Almost 25%, guys. 25% in just 1 minute. Yeah, SGBX return. RVYL. I will check. Okay, SGBX tested our resistance, guys, just below the $4. And I think I expect a huge pullback here, man. I need a pullback. It's not realistic to go up more. It's not realistically possible to go more than that. So yeah, I expect a pullback here. I expect a huge pullback for this one. Yeah, right now for SUBX. Be careful, guys. CMD is halted. Let me just check the stock that's been halted for today. CMD, we got LRHC halted twice, right? LRHC back to back, halted back to back. LRHC game over here. No, 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 no. Okay, let's see. A good sell. Okay, you are welcome, George. Let's see. We got two stocks to be watch. RVYL. I will double check this one and TNMG. I'm checking to see if it's good fit to put on our main list. If it's not, we don't even consider watching it because we don't want everybody to get misled about the stocks because the list that we put here is only good stocks that look strong. For this one is weak, man. It's pulled back a lot. I don't usually like those kind of stock that pull back like this. But I will give it a bit of time. If we held the 37, and we might have a good reversal because this one in Thursday we did 140% and now 40%. So we lost 100%. So there's a chance for reversal again, 30 or 40%. So I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list, but not the main list. RVYL. This one, no good. So yeah, I'm going back to SGBX. SGBX pulled back, yeah. Pulled back right around our resistance, the $3.88. Exactly. Perfect reversal. As we said, guys, $3.88 should be a resistance. CMD 65. And got halted right over our support, the 47. Yeah, those the only two stocks from my opinion. The rest is history. MRSN, the same is buyout. IDN, no. This one, nope, 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 nope. Just few seconds. I know the chart not good for me to trade. Let's see. CMD, nope. Some of you ask, like, Jesus, how do you know is the stock good or bad in few seconds? And the answer to that is experience. When you trade like 100 and sometimes, yeah, 100, you see a pattern, you see a huge pattern that show you at least you disqualify some stocks in few seconds. You don't even bother wasting time, valuable time, because if you waste time and energy and money to spend on one stock, you miss other opportunity, good stock that make you money. The same with relationships and finding a good relationship with girls or even men. Now I take like few seconds, guys, just few seconds. I feel just from the energy, not what I they say. No, no, no. I don't care about what you say. I care about your energy. So if I say how you doing, and you say nothing much or it's good, but your energy is low, I will really run away because energy is really contagious. So this is the best way. Is like really quick and is not judging. My friend, he didn't understand. He said, "Yo, man, you judging people." I tell him, no. It's kind of when you eat food, you don't eat poison. You just don't touch it. If you see like beautiful mushrooms, usually mushrooms in the wilderness, it look beautiful, but it's poisonous. If you're not clever, if you don't read about mushrooms, you're gonna eat it because it look beautiful, but it's poisonous. You're gonna die after a few minutes. So you have to be knowledgeable about mushrooms and don't eat the one that look beautiful, but there's poison inside. The same with people. Some people look beautiful, presentable, everything is good, but inside they're black holes. They ruin your life. So I see inside of people by just feel their energy, by the response they give me. So yeah, the same with stocks, the same with people. I don't think too much. The first insight, the first gut, I'll go with it. Even sometimes I may be wrong, but I will be more right than wrong because you can be right 100%. If I be right 90% of the time, I'm good with it. But yeah, the same. This is the answer the question I get a lot from my traders and Discord and Bitcoin, even here, how I defined or choose the watch list. It's like this. I don't even think about it. Okay, CMD guys, reverse nicely from the 46. What a nice reversal, guys. Look at that. Perfect reversal after the haltation. We reverse here almost 20%. This one, guys, I really love this chart. You see, this one is good. This one respect our perfect. This one is really good because first a jump got rejected, right? Our resistance bounce from our support after the haltation and respected our level. So this one, I'm gonna keep it number one CMD. SGBX, the same, respect our levels. I'm gonna keep it second. The rest, guys, is kind of weak market. TNMG is pulled back a lot, but I will watch it later. The rest, yeah, I don't like. I don't like one bit. Okay, MVVE is still looking all right. But the main support is a bit far from me, which is around the 31. We have other support, of course, here over the 35, but I don't trust it that much. So those the main stocks, yeah. The main stocks, I will just put them here. SGBX, guys, broke the support, the first one. CMD is number one now. CMD is number one. Let us double check the stocks for today. Top gainers. MRSN, MVVE, CMD, IDN. Nothing much happening. Are we having stocks? Yeah, earnings. Let's see. Disney reported earning today, but was have bad revenue, as you can see here, 9% down. Today we got applied material, AMAT. We got new. We got okay, not a lot. Friday tomorrow. Not my cup of tea. Let's see if we got some news for Beyond Meat. Uh-huh. I think we got something. I think we got something for Beyond Meat. Okay, let us discuss Beyond Meat for now. Guys, before we go further to discuss Beyond Meat, remember our content here for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, why the price is going down for Beyond Meat? Everybody asking this question. First of all, we got the earnings, and the earnings were down. We got the selling pressure happened there around the 150, and we got the third seller, I think. Here we got one, two, three, and four seller happened around earnings. That's why we pulled back. Now we have another pullback because we broke this current support that we discussed before or yesterday around the 115. So what's the game plan for now? Where are we gonna go? Because we're still kind of inside this channel that is trending down and down. Let me just adjust it like that. Yes, the channel has to be adjusted exactly because we don't break the channel technically. Yeah, as you can see here, the channel didn't, yeah, we didn't break it yet. You see, still going down. So what we should expect now? We got one level, guys, one level, for my opinion, that we should watch out for, because if we broke it, it would be really bad for Beyond Meat, is around the 88, which is a critical zone for Beyond Meat to test. Right now, we are 4%, so we got another 16% or 70% that we might pull back down toward this level, and now the current resistance will turn toward 115. But I'm gonna make the mix. The major resistance is around the 148, for my opinion, because even if we reverse here from this level, we need to do at least 40% to squeeze. If we pull back here from the 88, we might do 68. The other news that I think made the price go down for Beyond Meat is Beyond Meat has cut its workforce by 44 employees in 2025 and suspended operation in China, resulting in extra reduction of 20 employees. So a lot of people think about this fundamental news as a warning sign for weakness for Beyond Meat performance. However, some stocks do that and change. At least it depends on the CEO. It depends on the objective and the goal, or the big picture for the company. Because sometimes we have company cut the force, and after that we got a huge jump for the revenue and the earnings in the coming year. So this is might happen Beyond Meat. For the technical, as we said, as long as we hold here the 88, technically we're still up in the year almost 50%. Let me just check here if we see the beginning of this year. I think 2024 September. So I think yes. Let me just go back in time. Yeah, 2024. So December, January, yes. So technically we were around the $3.40 last year. Yes, $3.40, where we hit the almost the 8. So yeah, $3.33. This is if we want to end up in a green in this year, we have to go toward the $3.33. But for now, we have to concern ourselves with the 88 cent, guys. 88 cent is the main support that we should hold in order to have a reversal for Beyond Meat and go toward 150, and after that 175, and the $2.11 after that, where we're gonna have the major squeeze for Beyond Meat. Okay, now let's see the question from here. Yeah, CYPH, keep it on the list. I will check it, of course. Okay, CYPH. CYPH. What else we got here? On, I think we already discussed it before. Okay, we got two stocks that we should watch. CYBH, nothing much. Yeah, I don't like it, man. CYBH. On 4% have double top and pullback. Is light on volume, but it look okay if we have the 41. But yeah, CMD broke the support, guys, now. And so I'm gonna adjust the support here. Yeah, it worked the support. I'm gonna adjust the support and resistance later on for SGBX and CMD, the main event for today. MVVE, guys, we have a huge reversal for MVVE. Wow, really good reversal. Good catch, Norma. I think Norma said she want to buy. Denise, he said he thinking about buying NVVE now. I don't know if you bought Denise. You don't have to think in trading. You have to act. For you have to look at LPTX. Yeah. Aha, LPTX changed for CYPH. That's why I cannot find it anymore. CYPH. It is LPTX. Yeah, LPTX were already traded yesterday. LPTX did the huge job yesterday. We traded twice. Here, as you see, LPTX broke the $2 and went toward the 260 and beyond. We did this chart yesterday with MSGM, guys. It was great trade as well because we broke the 4087. MSGM and LPTX was the best trade yesterday. Thank you for the reminder about LPTX. Yeah, it was great yesterday. Yes, Denise, but great. Yeah, don't even think, brother. Think a bit, but don't overthink. This is the strategy, guys. If you want to make money in trading, thinking is good, strategizing is good. Once you have a good setup, you don't have to think twice, but you have to have a exit strategy, of course. You don't just buy blindly. Be strategic about your buys and sells. But yeah, overthinking is make you lose money, man, and make you lose opportunity in trading. And it's not even trading, even in real life, if you don't act and you overthink, you never do anything. You'll be paralyzed by overthinking. Anyway, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for today. As a reminder, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and see you all back 30 minutes before the market open tomorrow, as usual. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon, the link in the live chat section, guys, where we always do our update every day. Chart update, analysis for entry and exit. And today we're gonna do update for the top unicorn and add another ones before the market close, of course. So the live streaming will end, but the trading on our community will never end because we're gonna scan the market for the best trade. In the meantime, thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back tomorrow.